where every slide is not just a learning experience, but a thrilling adventure into a world where play meets power, knowledge, and incredible opportunity. Imagine a place where education equals excitement, a place worth over $800 billion in potential, where you unlock the future of learning with just one click. Yes, educators, marketers, and visionary entrepreneurs, today we introduce to you a world's first offer, a treasure trove of over 15 PowerPoint games for children, each meticulously crafted to captivate and educate young minds. Dive into the fun world of matching games, master algebra, or embark on an animal habitat adventure. From phonics to fractions, our games cover critical educational milestones, all while making learning irresistibly fun. And here's the kicker. There's no other PLR bundle like this online. That's right. You're getting exclusive access to a pioneering product with the potential to reshape your educational landscape. You're getting 15 games in popular topics. Now these are the importance of self-care for youth quiz, phonics game for kids, children's well-being and protection PowerPoint game, free algebra, counter game for kids, animal habitat, group matching game, vegetables matching game, animals matching game, table manners for kids, marshmallows numbers game, the quiz game, spotted jeans and speckled faces, counting game, racing game, and prepositions of time. So act fast, because this unique opportunity, as fleeting as it is exclusive. As you're seeing this, you're already ahead of the curve. And there's more. When you grab this offer today, you'll also get mini sales pages for each game, high quality images, email sequences, editable lead capture templates, and much more. Plus, we're including a special bonus, a book series perfectly aligned with our games to double your value and enhance your offerings. Use them as lead magnets or sell them as they are. The choice is yours. Now the clock is ticking and the opportunity is ripe. So dive into the land of PowerPoint profits, where learning is joyous, vibrant, and engaging. Join us on this mission to empower the next generation of thinkers and leaders. This adventure doesn't just stop with games. Think again if you do think that. When you dive into PowerPoint profits, you're not just getting games, you're unlocking a treasure chest filled with indispensable assets designed to skyrocket your success. Here's what's included in your phenomenal package. 15 amazing games ready to go, editable, and PLR rights included. Mini sales page content so you can jumpstart yourself with ready-made templates for each game with PLR rights. You also get email sequences so you can engage your audience with expertly crafted email campaigns with PLR rights. High quality images so you can captivate them with stunning visuals, enhancing every aspect of your marketing with PLR rights, of course. Editable lead capture templates so you can grow your list with professional, easy to customize templates with PLR rights. Also the Story Shacks book edition, so you can align these with your games to create holistic learning experiences, or you can use them as powerful lead magnets, also with PLR rights. Now you also get StoryCraft Pro Bundle, which is access to a library of over 350 plus music tracks to enhance your multimedia presentations, also with PLR rights, along with Animate Masters Pro, so you can bring your content to life with over 30 categories of animation. 100 Mega Mazes pack, 100 Sudoku Elements pack, and 100 comic book templates pack. These packs are perfect for adding variety and challenge to your offerings with PLR rights, of course. You also get 100 handwriting practice and kids storybook templates, ideal for educational and creative development. You also get a Canva book template so you can customize and create beautiful layouts with ease. You also get additional content, which includes journal prompts and other creative resources to enrich your product line. This isn't just a bundle, it's a fully fledged business in a box with tools and content you cannot find anywhere else. And remember, this offer is as unique as it is limited. No other PLR bundle of PowerPoint games for children exists online. We've checked. The path to transforming education and tapping into a booming market is just a click away. Grab this exclusive offer now and start your journey with PowerPoint profits today. So act quickly and you'll gain access to this complete package before anyone else. Secure your access to this once-in-a-lifetime offer. Click now and step into a realm where education meets imagination and where your journey to success begins. Remember, you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So why wait? Your adventure starts now.